Hello, my name is Frank Newman. I'm a GTA here at the Office of Education Technology at the Class College here at the University of Houston. And in this tutorial we'll learn how to inspect a course via the student view. It is important to inspect your course from the student perspective in order to ensure a good design. There are three ways to do this. First, you can toggle Edit Mode, which is located in the top right corner. When it is off, it shows the student view. A second method is to click the Student Preview button. With Student Preview, you can get a student account and do the following student activities. You can submit assignments. You can take tests. You can create blog and discussion posts. You can create journal and wiki entries. And you can view student tools such as My Grades. Student Preview is different from using Edit Mode. While Edit Mode hides your edit controls and adaptive release content, Student Preview allows you to experience your course as your students will. For example, in Student Preview you can test your user, grade, and review the status of your adaptive release criteria to make sure it releases content when you want it to. A third method is to add a test student account. This is very similar to Student Preview. Under Course Tools, select Add Test Student. If this is the first time you use this feature, you will see your test student account, which is your Kubernetes ID followed by an underscore and the letter S. If you have used this feature before, then click the Enroll Test Student button. You can reset your password as it is different from your Kubernetes ID and can be changed anytime. Then click Submit. Log out from your instructor account and then log in again with your test student account. Now you can test your student activity settings. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to inspect a course via the student view. Student Preview is different from using Edit Mode. While Edit Mode hides your edit controls and adaptive release content, Student Preview allows you to experience your course as your students will. For example, in Student Preview you can test your user, grade, and review the status of your adaptive release criteria to make sure it releases content when you want it to. A third method is to add a test student account. This is very similar to Student Preview. Under Course Tools, select Add Test Student. If this is the first time you use this feature, you will see your test student account, which is your Kubernetes ID followed by an underscore and the letter S. If you have used this feature before, then click the Enroll Test Student button. You can reset your password as it is different from your Kubernetes ID and can be changed anytime. Then click Submit. Log out from your instructor account and then log in again with your test student account. Now you can test your student activity settings. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to inspect a course via the student view.